Hello everyone, welcome back to my live trading today. Okay, so we just met yesterday. Okay, and you can see on the chart that I'm still keeping my gold weekly trading plan. And yes, the price have the reactions at the resistance zone I mentioned on the chart. It's around 34.80. Yeah, 34.84. Okay, so anyone do not join in my session yesterday, you can take the screenshot for this weekly trading plan, or also join on my Telegram community to receive the latest information about your trading journey. Okay, so gold just under a lot of selling pressure, right? These three candlesticks. Okay, so let's go back to the smaller time frame, like 1 hour. Yeah, I still keep this drawing for your analysis. Okay. Yes, gold just had the sharply decreasing in the between the London and New York session. Okay, so this can call the fake breakout, because I believe that there's a lot of traders set up the buy signal at entry zone 3320, but yeah, it just increase a bit and then reverse. Hello everyone. Yeah, thank you so much for joining in my stream today. You are so on time. So let's see the market moving before we set up any scalping signal today. Okay. And yes, as always, the market always had a very big gap in the early Asian session, right? You can see that, yeah, there's this very big gap for prices. Oh, 6, yeah, up to 6. Because at weekend, we heard a lot about the war between Iran and Palestine, right? So this is the support for gold increasing sharply in the early Asian session. So that is the reason why I did not encourage you to trade too early in the Asian session on Monday. Okay, and anyone get risk? Yeah, get risk with the market and bet and you buy scalping signal. I believe that you gain very good profits in today's Asian session. And now gold is under the selling pressure because the investors, the traders, is take profits from the market already, and now gold is under a lot of selling pressure. And anyone joining in my VIP signal group on Telegram, so now at the moment you guys already gained around 60 pips from the entry zone 3411 to 3410. Yeah, so if anyone wants to receive the benefit or soonest scalping signals from Nova, yeah, you can refer our VIP signal group. Okay, so it's suitable for full-time or part-time traders. Iron, yeah. Okay, sorry, Iran and Israel. Yeah, sorry for this mistake. Yeah, Israel. So I hope that you guys still safe. If you're their nationality, their people, okay, please stay safe. Please stay safe. War is the thing that no one wants about it, right? But because the conflict between governments and religion, yeah, some issues between the religions and how the government control the country. So yeah, the citizen, the people is the poorest. Hello, Tiwari. Oh, you're so hurry for the scalping signal, right? Hang on a second, because good positions is the best thing important when you do trading, right? Even though you're scalping, you are scalper or swing trader, okay, and good positions is everything for you to less pressure and also maximize profit. And now you can see on the chart as 5 minute time frame. Okay, so these are EMA, and now candles is on the EMAs at the moment. So this is indicates for the market moving sideways at the moment. And this is the bright zone of gold is moving here. Background I will choose lighter, more transparent for you to see it clearer. Yeah. Okay, so I just draw the bright zone of gold. Okay, and now the market is moving sideways, and they did not choose the specific size. So let's wait for the better entry zones so that we can have the qualified scalping signal. Okay, it also depends for when I open my live trading session. Okay, if the market support us, there's a lot of good scalping signal. But now the market's moving sideways. There are not any breakout confirmation, so we need to wait. Okay, and meanwhile waiting, we will interact to each other. Hello, Paulo. Wow, congratulations. Yeah, I'm very happy that when I read your comment. Wow. So I hope that every single day, based on my scalping signal, that there's a lot of gift order for you. Hello, Redis. Welcome back. Hello, Bear. Hi, Rudy. Hi, Marilyn. Hi, Chibi. Hi, Sebastian. Hi, JSR. Oh, there's a lot of familiar friends that coming back to my stream today. Okay, so now let's see in the bigger time frames that the market is heading to a new resistance or support zone. And unfortunately, at the moment, the market is moving sideways for this area. Okay, so you can see that I draw a rectangle box on the chart. Yes, and now this is the sideways. Yeah, the moving areas of gold. The moving sideways area of gold. So we need to be patient until the market chooses the specific zone, specific side. Okay, and another rectangle box below is my support, identify support based on my weekly trading plan. And now the market is under a lot of selling pressures, and it takes time to observe. Yeah, it takes time to observe the selling momentum. And now the buyers is already jumped in the game. Okay, they also control the market. We stopped, sellers win. You can see that this is the kind of reliable support zone, 3409. Yeah, there are a lot of reactions here, but the buyers stop, the sellers expanded. Okay, so but anyway, the price is still moving in the rectangle box that I draw on the chart. When the candles on EMAs, this indicates for the market moving sideways. Okay, and the lessons that I usually share with you, the first thing is that we need to identify the market trend. Okay, that is the first step for our analysis. And second, we will identify the right zone of gold is moving at that time. Okay, and now we are already in the New York session, and now in the early of New York session, the price is still moving sideways. And let's wait for the specific size that the market choose, and we will follow. Okay. And meanwhile waiting, I would like to share with you this experience when I just observed the chart 1 hour ago. Yeah, about 1 to 2 hours ago. You can see that this candlestick is kinda indicate for the buyers, right? With strong willing to break out. Okay, isn't it your feeling is about that the market is gonna to break out? Let me mark it. Yeah. Okay, I would like to zoom it. So today I will share with you this lesson, so that to identify which is the trap. Yeah. Okay. So this green candles is kind of the trap one. Okay, you can consider this is the buyer willing to determine breakout, right? Breaking out of the current peak. However, the candles later is a very big bearish engulfing candles. Yeah, so there's no retest because the bearish momentum was very strong, and you can see that the body of this candles, of the bearish candles after that, is totally double the bodies of this green candles. So this is indicate for the fake breakout. And if anyone in the buy signal at the entry zone about 50, yeah, it's dangerous. So we need to wait for the confirmation. The first thing is about the volume, trading volume. And if you don't know how to set up the volume, you can see the candle's body. You can see the candle body. If it's continue a big bullish engulfing candles, that is a confirmation for the buyers officially win the game, win the market. Okay, and they are already beat the sellers. So that's it, very important for us to wait for the confirmation before we decided to trade at the peak area. Yeah, so this is just a small tip for you. Okay, this is very small tips for you, but very efficient for your trading experience. So yeah, to sum up, yeah, just wait. You always need to wait for the confirmations when you decided to buy or sell at the peak area, peak zone. Okay, and this is the example for you as the fake breakout. Okay, because there's a lot of trap that the market set in this market, and we cannot predict. If we cannot wide awake with the trap, we can easily get losses in this market. Okay, so let's say that this candle about 13 minutes, will it break down or not? Oh, very strong bearish momentum, right? Okay, but 13 minutes left. Okay, 13 minutes left. We need to wait until this candles close. Okay, so now we no need to hurry, because you can see that it's very easily to form a very long wick. So now we need to wait for the confirmation for every breakout or breakdown. Okay, more and more friends joining in my stream today. Thank you very much for your kind support so far. And I just share with you about a small tips when you trade about the false breakout at the top. Okay, at the top area. Okay, hello Tales by Channel. We would fell to 33.77. Okay, let's say that's the market because there's a lot of levels, right? There's a lot of support levels. If the market break one by one level, it will head to your mentioned area 33.77. But now let's say I believe that the bearish is still on the side. Yeah, still on the side at the moment. But now you can see that there's a long candle wick, and the body of the candle is still in this box, right? This rectangle box. I draw in 30-minute time frame to identify the market zone, the market price movement. So we need to wait until it have the specific reactions with the border zone, the border price. Okay, so this is very long wick, and you know that it's just come out a bit, and then the candle reverse. So it's very careful. It's very dangerous for anyone who is hurry to set up any signal at this entry zone. Okay, and yeah, this long candle wick is the signal for the shark is hunting at the moment in the New York session. So from now on, we need to pay a lot of attention when we do any trade. Everyone, fasten your seatbelt and take your eye closed of the chart. Hello, help me. Okay, so guys, be patient with me until that we have any new scalping signal from today's stream. Yes, hunting liquidity. Yes. Yeah, it's just happened for a very long week, right? Okay, so now yeah, you can see that the candles is reversed back to the box. Oh dear, so it's very dangerous for this week. Yeah. $15-minute chart. And this is the limitations of the bright zone now. You can see that the distance between the three EMAs is kinda the same, right? And narrowed. They are so narrowed. So it's kind of hard for me to set up any scalping signal now because it's too risky for all of you. So let's wait until the market break this box, because that's better for us. And today I just posted about the BTC analysis on my Telegram community. Okay, so let's take a look at the BTC. Meanwhile, waiting for the specific movement of gold. Oh, this BTC of Binance. Yes, I will choose the chart BTCs of Binance. Okay, so now BTC is having a slightly adjustment right after a strong momentum. Okay, this is slightly adjustment after this strong bullish momentum. And as always, I will open the 1 hour time frames so you can easily identify the support and resistance zone, right? This is, I would choose those wick. Candle wick is the support and resistance zone for you. And now on the 1 hour time frame, you can say that this candles is still above the EMA, so this is indicate for the current uptrend of Bitcoin, okay, BTC. And yeah, you can also draw a trend line here to see, oh, it's wrong. Okay, this is the breakout point of BTC here, and it's continue for the current uptrend, right? So it's still moving between those resistance and support zone, and okay, there's also between the analysis, the support zone here, and now it's heading to the support confluence with the crossover of these two EMA. And for me, personal comment, you can set up the buy signal at this zone. There are two conditions that support for buy signal for BTC at this zone, right zone. Okay, two signal. Here's is the support, and here's the crossover of the two EMA. Where's the arrow? Where's the arrow? Not this one. Yes, here it is. Okay, so this is the point that for you to set up any buy scalping signal from this entry zone based on my analysis on 1 hour time frame. Okay. You can take a screenshot for this analysis and compare with the market's movement. All right. Let's go back to gold. It's still moving sideways here. Hello yogas. What do you mean the support zone not visible of gold or BTC? Okay, my pleasure, Anna. Hello Zizo. Oh, long time no see you. Yeah, so far so good. Thank you very much for your asking. Oh, BTC, right? Okay, so let me go back to the BTC chart. Binance here. Okay, is this for okay, I will zoom it out. I will zoom it out for you. It's kind of small, right? I can only zoom out the screen. Okay, can you see it now? Otherwise I will type it. Here. And the last one. Okay, so I hope that you see it clear. I hope that you can see it clearly now. Okay, so let's go back to gold. Big volume coming in bit. Yes. Yes, it is. Why every time I have live trading with you that the market's always moving sideways? Why is it? Why is it? Okay, so meanwhile waiting for the market running, I would like to introduce with you once again about the program that Golden Girl organizing at the moment is about the affiliate marketing job. If you feel that the trading is a lot of pressure for you and you still want to making money with this market, with this financial market, and of course no capital required, I will support you everything about the scalping signal, also the trading knowledge, and there are some options that you can choose which one is suitable for you to register. Okay, to register that the job you desire to do, and I will instruct you how to do it in the easiest way. And there's a lot of friends of me cooperating with me, and yeah, their living is getting better every single day based on trading. Besides trading, you know that some friends cannot be patient enough to trade, and they decided to cooperate with me as the affiliate marketing job. So they introduced their friends, their relatives who having the same passion in trading, and they join in my VIP signal group or open a live trading account with the reliable broker I introduced to them. And yes, they just receive the commissions from me, and they will get everything free, from VIP limit access to the advanced trading knowledge. Okay, and I surely will support you everything if you interest and register the affiliate job you want to do. Yes, so that's it, the brief introducing with you about the affiliate job. I organizing for all of my friends at the moment, and if you are interested in earning money without capital required, you can send me the direct message on Telegram channel so that I will instruct you how to do it step by step. Yeah, so come on, what are you waiting for? Send me the message. Okay, send me the message right away. And this is the chance for you to make your life better besides of trading. Okay, and of course no capital required, as long as you can introduce your friend, your relatives to use our service, like a broker. The broker I'm cooperating with, Bull Prime from Australia. They're established in the 2015, around 10 years ago, and throughout 8 years in my trading journey, I have used a lot of broker service, and now I decided to cooperate with Bull Prime because I realized that their service is kind of okay, and the speed they respond any question from me is super fast. Okay, and they can handle everything that I require. So after 1 year using trial, okay, and get the real experience with Bull Prime, and now I decided to cooperate with them to organize the affiliate marketing job with them to help you make your life better without any requirement about the capital. Okay, so this is the chance. I believe that very good for you to develop yourself and your friends in this severe financial market. You know that there are a lot of scammers out there with the sweet invitations about the winning rate, 100% winning rate, right? Copy trading, okay, can multiple your capitals hundreds times, something like that. But we always remember that why don't we introduce to their friends or their relatives about that, and why do they need us? Don't let us become the shark bait or the scammer bait, right? Money is so hard to make, and this action, I believe that my program I set up is a very good choice to make our friend, to help our friend stay away from the scammers. It is very important when you find and trust any brokers you decide to deposit and trade. And I also heard a lot of stories about my friend meeting the scammers. What a pity. I feel very sorry when I hear that, but I cannot help them because they already deposit money and losing money already. So I cannot help them to recover their capital, which is, for example, it's like they're losing around $10,000, and now they only have $100 left, and they ask for the recover. They have for me to help them recover their account at the beginning. How can I do, right? How can I do? You need that, that trading, taking profits, it's just a percent calculated on month or week. And this is very actually, that's for myself is kind of nonsense if you believe that you can X multiple times with just a signal. That's very nonsense. I'm sorry I have to say that because I believe in the reality and in my experience throughout 8 year trainings. So be real face to the realities is that trading is the most severe job. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. Even though there's just buy or sell button on your screen, on your phone. But the result and consequence will be very severe. Yeah, and if you just trust to the one you don't know about them, you just see their show off appearance, facilities, assets, and they travel everywhere, and you believe in their will. So this is the beginning of the trap you are about to in. And realize that after hearing a lot of stories that my friends got scammers like that, and I decided, I had the negotiation with Blue Prime, and I decided to cooperate with them and set up the affiliate marketing job. Money is just a side of our life. It's just a part of our life. I believe in doing good thing, and good thing will make us feel better and more, and stay away from the evil. I'm kind of a spiritual person, and I believe in if we do good thing in life, and we will receive the same. And together we can help our friends to stay away scammers by joining in my community, because you know that I already established and operate my community on Telegram for more than 3 years, and my actual trading experience in around 8 years. And this broker is very clarified about the informations, also the deposit time or withdrawal time. Everything is clear and move it quickly. Thank you so much, Anna. So this is my sharing from my bottom of my heart, that I really have the desire to help our friends to stay away from scammers, and together we build a fresh and healthy community in trading. That is my main purpose. In the beginning, I begin to build up Nova Scalper community. So thank you very much for your hearing about my sharing, and if you're really interested in, you can send me a direct message by linking to the link that I put in the description box, so that I can instruct you which option is more suitable for you to join in. So Nova is waiting. Patrick, I will check your message right after I end my stream today. There's just a strong bearish momentum of gold, so let's see that the market dropping off or not. So it's break the border. It just break the border. And let's move toward this support zone. So let's see its reaction, whether it's breakers or not. Hello Masood, can someone copy trade your trades on Pool Prime? Actually I don't have the account on Pool Prime Social, because now I just want to focus on the VIP signal on the on my VIP community about gold and currency pair signal. So that is the most safety and traditional way I want to follow. Okay, so gold is now officially break down the border, but there's still 2 minutes left, so let's see the candles bodies is forming. Okay, so we still have 2 scalping signal from my gold daily plan. Okay, and if there are not any scalping signal on the stream today, you still have to sell and buy scalping signal on the chart, on the corner of the chart. Okay. And this candles is likely to fill this FVG, right? Okay, so let's see that is it near to our buy area. Hmm. 13 price left to our entry buy zone, 33.90 to 33.88. But here's my rule when I set any scalping signal for the trading plan, gold trading plan. I will set it active until the end of New York session. So until the end of New York session, the signals have still not been active. Okay, these signals will be cancelled, and tomorrow I will update a new ones again. Okay, so this is my rule when I set up any buy or sell scalping signal from my daily plan. Yeah, daily, which means it's just active within a day. And yes, you can take note to this entry zone from this buy entry zone. Okay, 33.90 or 33.90 to 33.88. Yes, until the end of New York session. And as usual, you can see that at the moment gold is under a lot of selling pressure. Yeah, and it's heading to our entry zone of buy scalping signal. Wow, gold dropped quickly from this EMA confluence with the resistance. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at the Forex Factory. Okay, today is Monday and there's only the Empire State Manufacturing Index. Yeah, actual is minus 16. Yes, it's lower than the forecast. Empire State. So this is just the original, but let's see. And from this week, whether it's had any news. Let me adjust the time frames a bit. Paris. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow, Wednesday, there will be FOMC. Okay, regarding FOMC, I just uploaded about a brief video, a short videos about FOMC and technical analysis of gold on my YouTube channel. So you can watch for this and before we decided to trade news. FOMC economic projections, federal fund raise, FOMC statement, and at the moment there is still support for the hawkish. Yeah, there's still support for the hawkish, and this is the reason why that the USD strength is increasing recently, and this is the pressure for gold when selling. Yeah, under a lot of selling pressure for gold. Okay, so this is another hunting liquidity of gold, and now the market is the candles is want to coming back to the box again. Okay, the market is just keep on reverse and reverse, so it's so challenging for us to set up any signal at the moment. So first, the safety. Yeah, safety is always the first thing we need to pay attention, right? So let's wait for the safe entry zone at my gold trading plan. And the nearest signals is about buy gold at the 33.90 to 33.88. Okay, so you can see the setup gold price on the left corner of the chart. Okay, so for this Tuesday and Wednesday, okay, so near about time, around 30 minutes, you should consider to close the part of your trade because that time is kind of near from the time news release. So to protect our capital and a part of the profit, you should close the part of your trade when it's near to this time zone. And another thing is core retail sales is less important than FOMC statement. Yeah, you can see that they bold this for this title, which means this is the most important news of the week. So let's see any new actions of Fed. And yeah, previous they still remain the rate. The interest rate is kind of high. Okay, so this is the reason why explain the strengthening of the USD is still remain unchanged. And when the federal the interest rate is still high, this is control or manage to the inflations of US economy. Yeah, this monetary policies help to reduce the inflations in US economy, and this will help the America great again. So let's see in this month, June, whether Mr. Powell will keep this rate unchanged or not. So kind of pay attention to FOMC statement on Wednesday. Okay, so now gold is moving to the, and this is the bright zone that I draw based on my weekly trading plan, and it still follows up to now. Okay, so in the 4-hour time frame, you can see it better. Yeah, there are two channels. There are two trend line indicates for the price channels that I draw on the chart. And now it's heading to the nearest support zone. And this is not from my my daily plan. This is from my weekly plan. And the nearest entry zone for the buy scalping signal from my gold trading plan is at your left side of your left corner on the chart. And you can see that now the candles is moving between two EMA. Yeah, EMA 8 and 34 based on 4-hour time frame. Will it go 33.90? Okay, so now the price is coming back to the box, so it's hard to tell everything gonna be happen. So we need to observe the market's movement. If it breaks the levels one by one, it will head to your mentioned price level. Yes. It will head to your mentioned price level. And now the market is still moving sideways, but in my point of view that it is still under the selling pressure, right? And this is a trend line I draw from the 15-minute chart, and you can see that there are 4 pivots here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and this is also another reliable trend line that you can do for your analysis. Yeah, so now just dropping, continue dropping, so there's more probability to head to 33 and 90. Okay, sharks is hunting. Everyone pay attention to the chart. And okay, it's about to a few price left to our entry zone from a buy scalping signal. Wow, it's decreased sharply. Okay, let's count down. 3 price left. 3 price left. That is a very strong bearish momentum, right? Oh, it's making me awake. Okay, guys, hang on. Fasten your seatbelt and get ready to your phone. Okay, let's see that this signal active for us or not. Okay, officially we have the entry 90, everyone. Okay, and 88. Wow, 30 pips for us. So fast. 88, yes, it's coming up. 50 from my gold trading plan. 50 pips. Okay, price is moving steadily. So this is the reason why I always ask you to take closely to the chart when we in the New York session. Okay, move it quick. Okay, so Deblo, are you in this entry zone or not? Yeah, it's going back to the 88. So if you want to re-enter, just play with small lots, everyone. Small lots, because this is the second round. It's coming back to the entry zone. Alright, so the market did not support for the second round. Yeah. So fast, yeah, steadily. 50 pips from the entry zone. 88. Okay. So wide awake. It's like lightning, right? And yeah. Okay, second round is also already hit the stop loss, so yeah, that is the reason why I advise you to enter small lot only. And this time we need to be action quickly when we trade in the New York session. Never seen such candles. Everything can be happen in the gold market, especially in the New York session. You know that sometimes even though in the Asian session, yeah, just in 1 minute candles, that price can be moved around 10 price. Okay. Oh, so now officially sharks is hunting at the moment, right? So we should be highly pay attention to the market. Okay, anyway, no matter what the market moving, okay, every friends of me joining in my today stream session and Telegram community that will receive the gift from my gold trading plan, 50 pips from the entry zone 90 to 88, and now it's coming back to the entry zone after hitting stop loss for the second round. So everything needs to be action quickly. Okay, so anyone have the profits, have gift from me today? Oh, no one. You guys seem quiet. I'm not sure that you're in time, on time or not. Okay, so it's super easy for you to get the profit from the market. Everything is free on my community on Telegram by clicking to the link that I put in the description box, so you can join in it quickly and freely. Oh, Bear, here you go. I knew it. You were in. Okay, so I hope that you could get a part of my profit. Yeah, you will get of the profit and my gift today. Okay, congratulations everyone. And I'm very happy if you're dropping the like this video, like this stream, and follow me on Telegram community and also on my YouTube channel. Okay, your subscribe will be my positive energy to help me do it better every single day. Hello Zizo. Okay, so what do you want? How can I help you? Okay, my pleasure, Bear. My pleasure. Zizo, can you type quickly because I'm about to end my stream today and I need to focus back on the VIP signal group for all of my VIP members. Yes. And now the market just have the quick reaction, and this is the trend line. Yeah, the market have the bearish reactions at the trend line confluence with the EMA 34. So this is the reason why for the setup for the sell scalping signal at this zone 16 to 14. Bollinger Band actually is not my favorite in trading because you know that for these candles it's sometimes happen for the error for Bollinger Band. Actually Bollinger Bands is also another context of resistance and support zone. And sorry, and if you already use EMA and you know how to identify resistance or support zone by watching chart, that is okay for you. Yeah, not using too much indicators is the best way to help you do the better analysis. And besides that, Bollinger Band it is kinda not effective to me to trade. Yeah, and upper band interest, lower band support. Yeah, something like that. And I will show you for what things I do the best. Okay, and I hope for your understanding, because I only help you when I do the best of one thing. Okay, and it's easily to set up on the indicators, right? Well, you just type Bollinger Band. Here it is. And yes, for these candles, you cannot trade with the market having these candles. And you need to do combinations with another indicators with Bollinger Band before you decided to set up any scalping signal. Hello Bear. Okay, please send me a direct message on the Telegram so that I will instruct you and explain to you the detail. Okay, because it will divide it to the level that you deposit. Yeah, and we need time to discuss about it, right? Yeah, they have all around the world, but you can work in with me directly. Okay, please send me a direct message on Telegram so that we can discuss about it in more detail. Okay, Zizo, my pleasure, my pleasure. Okay, so I would like to end my stream today, and once again, congratulations for everyone who gaining my profit today. And yeah, 50 pips from the buy scalping signal from my gold trading plan is such a good gift, isn't it? Okay, and this week I will have another stream with you on this Thursday and Friday, so don't miss it. And at this time on Friday and Thursday, we will see again. Okay, and have a good day. See you again soon.